Leon, you can practice restraint later. You're at war now. I need strength.
Yep, and I mess around mid.
Here.
Yep.
Here. Turret out.
Do you want my wall towards back of sight?
Placing sentry.
Here.
Yeah, I always buy full util.
Here.
That's
Hawk out.
a little
There's
harder.
Vipers here.
Blinded.
Send it that way.
Coming through.
I think there's a couple mid.
Healing up.
Okay, one mid.
Placing swamp grenade.
One more
Wall's
running
going
up
down.
Found the spy. Ah, turret down.
mid. One flanking.
Bad move.
Oh, one's
Both
in
behind.
behind crow's nest.
Last player standing.
Omen's hurt. Right, not as much.
Threat.
She headshot me.
How about you can stop pouring water on your arms? Those cannons shine enough
That was
already.
quick.
Don't be vain.
Who said that? Reyna?
Reyna.
How did I hit her for 8 in the chest? What?
I can take the bomba.
Reported.
Reloading. Hawk out. Blinded. Reloading.
I got hit. I'm at 25.
Go B then.
Viper's nest, I think. I don't know if anyone's double door.
Turret out. Reloading.
Cypher's behind you guys with a Bucky.
Barriers down.
Spike down B. Last player
Ah.
standing. I know exactly where.
Finished. I got the spike.
Damn.
I got very unlucky on my right clicks. Right there.
It's a good old hard yakka.
Only hit
Standing in
once.
between us and victory. Go, go, go!
Show them how we fight.
Reloading.
I'm gonna go watch B.
Hawk out.
I was right on that.
Blinded.
Got their Viper.
Hawk out.
Let's push this.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
Nice. On the board.
Lola was right. Weeds are difficult to kill.
The Sky pushed mid. The Sky was aggressive.
Viper pushed elbow. Make it antsy. Oh, I should buy armor. Let's see. We got Neon ult. I'm one away. They have rain ult. Okay.
They Viper walled from B.
Cypher's B.
Blinded.
Shit, back that up, trade that.
Toxin screen.
Variable. Oh.
Also, you need to back that up.
Ultimate ready.
Last player standing.
Oh my god.
Spike down. Attacker spawn.
Oh, how did I miss that head?
I'm no doctor, but I can patch a
Yeah, I
bullet
just
hole.
saw a bunch of
Let me know if you
1v1
need
funnels there instead of an all coordinated team effort.
Okay. No, they're patient at that time.
Keep it cool. That's how you survive.
I know Cypher plays B. I shot it.
Turret out.
Hawk out.
Reloading.
Time to hunt. Gotta go.
Cypher was in the backside.
I'm out of here.
One mid. One mid.
Hawk out.
Spike planted.
Both mid. 80 on the Reyna.
Yep.
It's going down.
I have a turret and an alarm bot on our spawn entrance.
Blinded.
Found them.
Alarm bot down. Here.
One enemy remaining.
Here.
Very nice.
Bugged.
Go, go, go.
Sure, their Viper can put up a big green wall, but you know mine's prettier.
Austin, bomb. It seems like it's Cypher Viper B.
Cypher's B. A. Viper came from A last time. I don't know if that was a rotate though.
Take them.
Alarm bot out.
Viper's B.
Target B.
Hawk out. Hawk out.
I'm gonna go start looking at flank.
Time to hunt. Scout destroyed.
There.
Here.
Yep.
Omen's mid.
Enemy down.
Viper rotated around there.
Omen's mid. Careful.
Here.
Wave.
I got
can-
plenty of walls.
Reloading.
Let's turn the tide.
Here.
Water rising.
Wall that way.
Ah, she got me.
Blocking fire.
Hawk out. Blinded.
Reyna's Marshall Bridge. Sky and one more down there.
Omen.
I know exactly where you are.
Cypher's double doors. Is that actually possible?
Reyna jump down.
One enemy remaining.
Who's mid
Very
doors? Nice.
Very nice.
We move as a unit, okay? Last thing I need is some hero messing things up.
Can someone spot
Go,
me?
go, go.
Help the poor, please. Thank you. Okay.
Here. Placing
I'm
sentry.
gonna watch for push through cave. Oh yeah, there's two there.
Yep, I got you.
Hawk out.
Blinded.
I got two cave.
Hawk out.
Orbs down.
Hunt. Scout
Oh, 40 on Viper.
Spike down mid.
Sky's coming out. Sky's pushing.
Ah, fuck. 120 on Cypher.
Orbs back up.
Poison's off.
Last player standing. Team Ace.
I feel something over there. Can't place it. Like us, but different.
Yeah, let's just do a hard A push.
Here.
Flash through the smoke and just push through it.
He'll- Omen usually
Yeah, I
flashes.
can plan out.
I'll show them. Lintik kayo.
He flashes. He's been flashing through there.
Damn.
There's one pushing mid. Got her.
Hawk out.
Spike down A.
Ah, shoot.
Hawk out.
Viper's mid, and I think one more.
Last player standing.
He's
Love
on
you.
top of you. Hit me, no?
If any of you die, I lose a bet with Brimstone, so don't embarrass me like that, please.
Yep.
Oh, you guys are buying. Oh.
Ah, break's over.
It's mainly just the Viper wall that's been a pain.
Flooding them.
Seek them out. Found Hawk out. 3 for 3.
They're dead.
Two on A. 2 on A.
Time to hunt.
Spike down mid.
Fight.
You got the Cypher.
Gotta go.
One enemy remaining.
Nice job.
Placing swarm grenade. Spike planted.
Okay, I'm gonna go watch flank.
Oh, 74. Backside.
Donald.
I'll watch from main.
Yeah, he's 74 health. Bomb is planted for Crow's Nest.
There goes your grenades.
Get ready.
Nice.
Nice.
Your journey ends
Very nice.
here.
Didn't even need a ping.
Your mind is just as dangerous as your weapon. Use it.
We just killed people.
Get kills.
They swarmed us mid and we got lucky.
Mhm.
Alright, run out.
Hawk out! Blinded.
There's one mid.
Not ready yet.
Sorry, I'm bad. Holy hell.
Planted.
Right in mid.
Placing alarm bot.
Don't get in my way.
I've got your trail.
One enemy remaining. Team Ace.
Nice.
Very nice.
They will die, hopeless and afraid.
I'm gonna fake wall A.
Okay. Do you want to lurk mid then, and I'll wall B?
I'm just gonna run immediately back to B.
And I have ult ready.
Bury their sky.
Are we gonna fast push this? I have all.
Hawk out! Blinded. Hawk out!
Walls up.
Oh my god.
Spike down B.
I'm in TP'd.
And she rounded the corner, instantly one tapped us.
One next to me.
I know last player
Ah,
standing.
shoot.
Yeah.
One dead. Spike planted.
Hawk out! Blinded.
It's cave.
That's right.
Well, we're not 9-3 ourselves.
I guarantee it.
Last round before the switch.
Don't save anything. Last chance to
I
use
have
our
my ult.
stuff.
I'm out of here.
Should I instantly pop my ult or wait until plant?
Welcome to my world.
They Viper ulted on B.
Hawk out! Here we go! Blinded.
Killed their omen.
Fuck.
Shortcut!
Hawk out!
Shield going up.
Time to hunt.
Oh, shoot. Right
I went
there.
for mid.
Flooding them.
Oh, Reyna has an op.
Oh, 62 on Sky.
One enemy remaining.
I missed.
Then we're all for.
Did you guys plant
next half?
here or somewhere else?
Switching sides.
Yeah, the only. Well, I guess it doesn't matter now.
Precious than a bullet.
I'm out of here.
Great. So I'm
Yeah.
watching double doors.
Here.
Where am I going again?
Here. Gotta go.
Oh, Jesus, I just cracked every knuckle on my hand.
I got yous, okay?
Austin, as soon as you see someone, I'll put that wall up.
A Viper wall and
Yep, they're coming
Reyna
there.
and Sky and all the puns. Oh, shoot from mid.
Hawk out.
Spike planted.
Reyna killed.
Cypher and
One
double doors.
door. It's mid
Tripwires.
door.
One
You gotta move. You gotta move.
Back of sight. Or back of pyramid.
There.
Oh, never mind.
Just defuse. Just defuse.
I got you covered. Diffuse. I got you.
To our left, to our left, to our left.
last player standing.
55.
Hold.
Hey.
Hold on.
Remember, your weapon is only a tool. You can't just shoot. You have to think.
Help a girl out, would you? Here. Here.
Pushing mid.
Okay.
No one.
Reyna killed.
52 on the Viper.
Omen
One
mid.
enemy
Nice.
Here.
Clean up.
Spike down mid.
Oh wait, that's Spike.
Nice
Nice.
job, guys.
This scheiße hurts.
I get
Everyone
blinded
makes
from.
fun of German efficiency. Ha ha.
Yeah, what should I do here? Should I buy or?
Jeez, why do I need so much money?
I have a lot of frenzy. They walled us on B.
I hear stuff mid.
Blinded.
Do it again. Do it again.
Hawk out.
Shit.
I'm gonna start rotating.
Got darted.
Turret down.
Yeah, they got B. You guys got to go to B.
Swarm grenade out.
Spike
Bot
planted.
coming back.
And stuff through there.
Last
Oh,
player
ah,
standing.
shoot, I missed.
Trap.
Please stay alive. I hate making new friends.
Okay.
I'm out of here.
I'm gonna try a different setup this time. Yeah, no, that was a bad call on my part.
Do you want to put a swarm grenade here so that if they do plant, you can just pop it?
Omen smoking double doors.
Coming.
Hawk out.
Should I start rotating?
Orb going down. Wall going down.
Ended.
One enemy remaining.
Nice job.
Spike down B.
Well, we have bomb.
Yeah, bomb's on me.
Yeah.
Heal up, squad.
Thank you.
Are we shooting at people or just shooting at ghosts?
Shooting at ghosts.
Fighting the shadow people. You know how it is.
Their Viper does like to lurk.
Yep, right there mid.
Nice
Matter.
job.
We know
No
what we're
saving
doing.
for them.
Trust each other and we'll be fine.
I got no money.
I don't either.
Much appreciated.
They're gonna know that I'm gonna be in that back alley, so I'm gonna sit on this side this time.
Like a swarm grenade right here. Yeah, that'll do. So if they try and start playing it, we can just pop that.
Hawk out!
Mid.
Hawk out! Blind.
You got seen from mid by Cypher.
Okay.
Viper's cave.
I just got smoke tunnel.
Sleep tight.
I got one.
Spike down mid.
Yep, I'm
Oh,
about to
no
work
one
on
was
it.
watching that. Okay.
Yep.
Nah.
My ult's ready.
On site.
Do they have spike? Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, they're both backside.
Spike planted.
Right is middle.
One enemy remaining.
Viper's
Shots.
back.
Behind crab.
Last player
Oh my god,
standing.
78. Nice.
Nice.
I'm not a fan of guy. I like killing the people when I shoot them in the head.
Help a girl out, would ya? Help a girl out, would you?
I can buy also.
Poor.
Oh yeah, Austin should be like.
Actually, now that I've purchased. Actually, I can buy light this round because I have my ult. If I need to.
Shut and lock the door.
Smoke mid.
Hawk out!
Sky cave. They're pushing.
Here!
Spike down A.
Hawk out! Blinded.
Ow. Is that you?
I have spike cave.
You're coming up on Cypher there, Neon?
Yep.
They're looking. Nice job, nice job.
Careful of Omen ulting
Healing over
this.
here.
So just stay B.
Alright, Austin, let's play together.
Yeah,
here.
but he.
Yep.
Ah, shoot.
Let's play a little quicker. Just to get there.
Shoot.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. Someone rotate B. Rotate
Not
B.
30 seconds left.
I'm
Mike is
blind,
still
I'm
there.
so blind. I hit him 40.
The spike is right here. I'm looking at it.
Yeah, but he can ult it. He's got
Yeah,
ult.
but alright, exposed. Yeah.
Yeah.
So at least one person should be right at B.
Yeah, Matt, you want to just go B since you don't have health? There it is.
10 seconds left.
You
That
guys
was not
planning
fast
B.
enough.
Spike planted.
Nice.
Someone who doesn't have alt defused.
You have ult.
Everyone does? Perfect.
Everyone except the Omen.
Don't even start that shit here, man. Hawk out!
Yeah, the only way to block the Omen ult is I think you need like 3 or 4
No
people.
matter what. Gotta go.
Actually, I think Killjoy turret can kind of block it, and then 2 people.
Austin, if we see anyone, I'm just gonna ult the site.
Alrighty.
Viper wall A.
That's some bait. That's some bait.
Bait I will take.
That is bait.
I'm gonna just stay A for a bit. Got
Yep, I have eyes.
I hear all kinds of stuff. I think they have backside.
Someone got through.
Got bomb.
Spike down B. 1 enemy remaining.
Sky's here. Sky's backside.
I did not mean to ult.
That's
Nice.
Sometimes
Value.
he's got a laser heads.
Spike spotted. B.
Match point.
One last
Go,
push.
go, go!
Alright, guys, we got this.
oh
We have
the temptation to
both
get
Harbor
the judge.
and my ult, so. We got this, guys, we got this.
Temptation to judge. I will resist. For
We
now.
need this win today, boys. One more round. What? This is
Yeah.
the round. This is the
We only
last
need
one.
this round.
Viper wall A.
Hawk out!
Nice pick. Nice pick. Wall going down.
Spike down A.
Cypher double doors. Cypher doors.
Viper ult on
He's
site.
dead. He's dead.
Oh, behind me, behind me.
That's locked and destroyed. No.
It's
We,
on mid doors.
Okay, perfect.
Peek.
1 enemy remaining.
Thank you.
Very nice, very nice.
Spike down A.
I already killjoy ulted and I'm dead.
She doesn't.
I'm coming up on a
I
flank.
can
I've
shoot
got
some
a flank
shit in
on
there.
Viper here.
She doesn't have spike.
Nice,
Very
right?
nice, very nice.
Defenders win.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
It was the kid at the start of the
It
game.
was the Reyna.
Like the 1-1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another MVP.
Hell yeah,
Oh.
Parker.
Good job pulling together.
Oh, they were
You know
Ronald.
the duelist Harbor. 14 smokes.